Today, I will be sharing my double cheese chicken Cobb salad recipe, and this recipe is perfect for those who enjoy tangy flavors. First, you need to chop one head of lettuce. You can choose either romaine or iceberg lettuce. Use whichever you have in your fridge. Start by cutting the lettuce into bite-sized pieces. Place the chopped lettuce at the bottom of your salad bowl. Dice your tomatoes into bite-sized pieces depending on their size. Cut the blue cheese into cubes and add them to your bowl. And now, dice the feta cheese into cubes and add them to the bowl. And now, slice 3 hard-boiled eggs and put them in a plate. Dice one avocado and add the slices to a plate. Slice the chicken that you have cooked or grilled or baked. You can cut it into small or large pieces based on how you prefer to serve it. The dressing of this salad is super easy. Now for the salad dressing, add 5 tablespoons of olive oil to a dressing bowl, and then squeeze the juice of half a lemon and add it to the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of grape vinegar or red wine vinegar and add a tablespoon of mustard. And add 2 teaspoons of salt. And add a teaspoon of black pepper and mix the sauce well. Now it's time to assemble your salad. You can decorate it however you want. I mix it all before eating so that the sauce spreads evenly everywhere. But if you want to present a nice visual to your guests, you can serve the salad without mixing it. I hope you like this sour and cheesy salad. We can meet in the comments for your own suggestions. Thank you for watching.